Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Vroid Studio stable version 1.01 to create any of the manga character, any of the 3D avatar, and send it to iClone 7 to create the 3D animation with facial and lip sync. You can see you can scroll down, go to my video description to download the latest version of the Vroid Studio. This is the stable versions and just click create new. It just updated in October. You can just select any avatar that you want, click female, and start to create your avatar. After it finishes loading, you can see the first one is the face. You can adjust a lot. This is a female. Alright, first you choose a face. These are the preset face that let you to choose. And next, you can just custom the eyes set. There are so many choices. And next, the iris, the eye highlights you can choose from here. The next ones, you can choose the eyebrows, the eyebrow style as well. The eyelids, so many things you can choose. For example, the mouth, the lips. Just choose one of them. The cheeks, yes, you can choose. You can change the skin color as well. Just change from here. You can adjust the skin color. Alright. Next, the face paint. And the last one. This one you no need to adjust it. Next is the hairstyle. You can just choose from here. The overall hairstyle. The hairstyle set, you can just choose from here to directly change it. Alright, next, you can just change the body shape. Just change from here. All these variable you can adjust. Next is the outfit. You can just give her any of the tops, or you can just change from the whole set here. There are so many changes, so many variables there. You can change the sock style as well and give her a shoes. Right. Next, the accessory. And you can change the look. Once you feel satisfied already, you can just click here to export it as VRM. Before that, you can just click here and save. Right. As demo, I will just create a new folder on my desktop. I create a new folder here. And I will name it as Manga 01. I double click it. Great. So, next, I click here to export it. Export as VRM. Before that, just click File, Save As. I will save on my desktop the manga01. I will just name it as manga01. Save as a Vroid file. Save. Now you can see this is a Vroid file. Next time you can just edit again by clicking File, back to the model selections and open. And then you click open the same file, the manga01 Vroid. This is to save and open. It's not yet export yet. Right. In order to send it to iClone 7's 3D animation software, you need to go through a few steps. First, you have to click here to export as VRM and wait for a while. Once you click export as VRM, it takes a few seconds to load the export windows. Alright, now this is the T-pose. Click export. The title here, as demo, I will just simply put A and click export. Export on the desktop, manga01. I will just name it as manga01. Export as VRM file. It's only one file format. Click save. Next, check your folder. After a while, the VRM file will be exported here. And now you can just close the Vroid Studio. Just close it by using the VRM file. Next, you can just go to the video description to download the Blender 2.90 with VRM importer. This is the one that I provided for you. And also download this, the VRM add-on for Blender release zip and Cat's Blender plugins. After you download these three things, these three stuff, you extract the Blender so that you can open the Blender here. And then the VRM add-ons and Cat's Blender plugins, you must maintain it as the zip file. Do not extract it. In your Blender, once you open it already, you need to install these two plugins, the Cat's Blender plugin and VRM add-ons. Just click here, Edit, Preferences. So under add-ons, click Install. It is on my desktop. I double click the VRM add-on zip file. Next, I click Install again. Install the Cat's Blender plugins. These two must install it. Alright, once you install already, at here you need to search Cat. The Cat's plugin. You must make sure you tick the 3D View Cat's Blender plugins, and also you search for VRM. You must make sure you tick anything that are related to VRM. Next, you close it. Now, you already have the Cat's plugin. We are going to use that to import the VRM file. You can press N. You can see the Cat's plugin is there. The first thing you need to do is just select the cube, the camera, and the point light. Just press delete button to delete everything from that. By using the Cat's plugin, you press N, you can toggle it. The Cat's plugin is here. Click the triple line here and import the VRM. It is on my desktop. Under the it is under the manga folder, manga01, the manga01.vrm. The VRM file is the one that we are going to import it. Click import VRM and wait for a while here. Next, you can see it is already in your Blender. You need to click the wrench here, untick everything. and only left the fixed material. This is very important to fix the material. Click OK and click Fix Model. Once you click Fix Model, you need to wait for a while until it fix everything. Now you can see it is already have the textures. Next, what you are going to do is just export as FBX. Now it is already in your Blender. To export as FBX, it is really easy and you can use it anytime. As demo, I will just save the Blender file. Click here, File, Save As. I will save on my desktop, the Manga01 folder. I will just name it as Manga01 and click Save As. Now the Blender file already saved as a backup. Next, you can export it as FBX file. Click File, Export the FBX. In the same folder, it's under my desktop, Manga01, the Manga01 FBX. So the path mode, you must select copy, and here you turn it on, or you can just click here. To export it properly, you just need to click Export Model, continue to export. This is a better method. It already selected the desktop Manga01, the Manga01.fbx. The path mode you choose copy and make sure here you tick it, click Export FBX. Alright, now you have a check. The Manga01 FBX already exported here, and this FBX file you can use it for any purposes, for any of your 3D modeling, 3D animation software. It is already here. And in order to import into the iClone 7 3D animation software, you need to download the 3D Exchange 7.8 skeleton profile that I created for you, and also the facial profile for the Vroid Avatar and of the stable versions 1.0. This is a Google Drive link. You go and download it. Then you will get this zip file, the Vroid 3D Exchange 7.8 profile, Vroid 1.0. Right click and extract it. Extract all. Extract. Next, you close the folder. It already extracted as another folder, not the zip file. That is Vroid 3D Exchange 7.8 profile for Vroid 1.0. This is very important. Next, you open your 3D Exchange 7, drag in the FBX file, and click OK. Click OK. Next, what you are going to do is apply to iClone first. This is compulsory. It is really important. Now it is already in iClone 7. Next, we are going to add all the morph. Click here. Go to the morph creator and wait for a while. This is another app, the morph creator. Alright, you can see this. The morph are detected in this prop, processing auto conversion for morph list. You can choose yes. Alright, it will open in that way. So I do one more time. Just close it first. Click the morph creator. And now it is opened by using the morph creator. Processing auto conversion, you must choose yes. And next, click update morph to iClone. This is really important. Next, close it. You can see the orange color is blinking at the iClone there. Then you can just close it. It's done. You click the morph animator. All the morph are completed here. Now you can close it. Next, we are going to fix all the textures here. Click here. Just one by one. Okay, this one is okay. Next is the iris copy and paste. This is to automatically create the opacity map. Next is the eye highlight. Do the same way. Right click copy, right click paste. Next one is the eyebrow copy. Right click paste. Next, this one face eyelash copy. Right click paste. The face eyeline also. Right click copy, right click paste. The skin body, no, the skin body also right click copy, right click paste to create the opacity map. Next is the bottom, no need. The top, right click copy, right click paste. The shoes, right click copy, right click paste. To create the opacity map for every of the texture. Now you can see this avatar already completed. Next, what you are going to do is just click here and edit in 3D Exchange again. In your 3D Exchange, you are going to apply the profile. And just now you can see you already have the 3D Exchange 7.8 profile for Vroid 1.0. This is the one that you download from this link in your video description. So at this moment, what you need to do is you open your Manga 01 folder. Next, you scroll down your 3D Exchange 7, click Convert to Non-Standard, and then save the T-pose. Save the T-pose inside your Manga 01 folder. You can copy the folder destination and paste it here, Ctrl V, Enter. Next, here you just name it as T-pose. And press Enter to save this. Now you check your folder. That is a tpose.3dx tpose. If you are unable to see all the file extensions, you can just click View, Options, View, and make sure you untick Hide Extension for known file type and click OK. So next, in your 3D Exchange here, you click Load the profile that I given to you. As demo, I already put in my desktop, the Vroid 3D Exchange 7.8 profile for Vroid 1.0. Double click in. She's a female, so you choose the female. Vroid female 1.0 profile. You can see now all of these skeletons automatic plots, and you deactivate it. Load the T-pose that you saved just now on the desktop, Manga 01. It is here, T-pose 3DX T-pose. Double click, and then activate it, click Convert. Next, go to the expression editor, and then you open the profile that I already created for you. Go to the desktop, the Vroid 3D Exchange 7.8 profile for Vroid 1.0. Double click in, choose the female because she's a female now. For this time, fail to load the facial animation profile. You open again. It is not allow you to set it that way. Vroid female. So this one you cannot apply. What you need to do is just do it manually. Do it manually. What you are going to do is go to the eyes. And then the first one is the rightward. You press E. You press E to rotate it to the right. Next is then you click set. Leftwards. Rotate it to the left. And click set. Downwards. Just make it downward that way. Click set. Upwards. Just drag it upwards in that way. Then click set. The next one is the jaw. Click the drop jaw and scroll down. Go to the mouth. These are the mouth. the FD mouth A, set. The next one is the viseme, the first one. The first one you choose E, set. The next one you choose U, set. Here you choose A, and set. The ER, you choose A, and set. The SZ, you choose E, and set. The BMP, you choose I, and set. The LH, for this one, you choose I, and set. Here, you choose I as well, and set. KG, you choose E, and set. This one, you choose A, and set. The F, you can choose I, and set. Here, this one, you can choose E, and click set. The O, you just choose O. O is here. And set. Here you choose E. And set. And R, you can choose A. And then set. Next, the muzzle. The blinking, the eyes blinking is very important. Just scroll up. The eyes close. Set. The eye blink L. Set. And here eye blink R. Drag it and set. Now done. Everything completely done. And the mouth opens. You can just drag down and choose A. That's all. And click set. Done. Now, all the facial expression profile done. Close it. And finally, you can just set this as the eye avatar. At the same folder here, the Manga01 folder, you just right click and copy the folder destinations. And here you click export. Export as non-standard character for iClone 7. The destination, you choose others. And here, Control A, delete everything. And Control V to paste your Manga01 folder destination. Next, export the geometry. You name it as Manga01. Now, you click OK. Once you click OK already, successfully exported. Now click OK. Next. Finally, in your iClone 7, you don't want this anymore. You just create a new project and don't save it. You open your Manga01 folder. The Manga01 eye avatar is already there. If you view with large icons, it is an eye avatar. You can drag this eye avatar into your iClone 7. And now I'm going to test it in front of you. Is that everything success? This manga avatar here, what you are going to do is press Q and double click and select it. Next, you test the lip sync, click create script. You can record your own voice, of course. You can use any of the existing audio file, but as demo, I will just test by using the TTS, the text to speech. And here I will just choose the English, the Microsoft Jira. I will just type any words here. Hello. Testing. 1, 2, 3. I am from Vroid. Now, the pitch, I make it 100 and I hear it.
Hello, testing, 1.
Alright, I can use this sentence to test the lip sync. I click OK. Alright, now we just test it.
Hello, testing, 1, 2, 3. I am from Vroid.
Alright, now the lip sync testing completes. We can test one more, what we call the facial expressions. The facial expression, we are not going to use the face key, but we are going to use the morph animator. The morph animator that we created at the beginning there. Click the morph animator. And here you can adjust any of the facial expression. For example, after one
Hello,
more second,
testing.
I choose the default key, and then after one more
1,
second,
2,
I make her angry. And after
3.
one more
I am
second,
from
still the same. Next.
Vroid.
The next moment, just make it neutral. Then I make her surprise, or I can make a fun face. Now done. Now I'm going to replay again all the animation. Just have a look.
Hello, testing. 1, 2, 3. I am from Vroid.
So now you can see the facial expression and the lip sync animations all are completed. And you also can apply any of the 3D animations, the humans animation from here, the motions, the iClone 7 motions, the female. This is just an animation test. You can just have a look. The dual gun pose. We just have a look. Test.
Hello, testing. 1, 2, 3. I am from Vroid.
Alright, test again.
Hello, testing. 1, 2, 3. I am from Vroid.
You can see all the lip sync, the facial expressions and body motions all are completed. Now this avatar is ready for you to create any of the 3D animations for your NPC, for your movies, for your video, for your 3D animation. Alright. That's all for today. That's all for today about how to use the Vroid Studio 1.0, the latest versions, the latest updates, software of the Vroid Studio, and create any of the cute manga avatar, the cartoon avatar, and use it for free and send it to iClone 7 with facial expressions, morph animations, and also the lip sync to create any of the 3D animations in your iClone 7 software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you loved my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animation and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy happy animation and game developing. See you.